From now onwards, when you start your studies or you do any important task or something that needs focus and attention, you promise me that you will follow this thing that I am going to tell you, and I promise you your focus and your grasping power will tremendously increase. I know we face a lot and lots of problems while concentrating on a daily task, and these problems arise because we don't shape the patterns inside our brain that is required for a focused mind. Look, what actually does the productivity needs? It just demands for some empty space inside your brain and a calm, relaxed mind. Before you start your studies, set a timer for 2 minutes. Close your eyes and take long and calm breaths. Try to take next breath just slightly slower and relaxed than the previous one. Count them till your timer rings. Keep the number of counts in your mind for the next session. Now, you start your studies. When you wind up your studies, don't get up directly to have a break. Instead, sit again for 2 minutes. This time, you don't have to do meditation again. Now, set timer for 2 minutes and just close your eyes, allowing the thoughts come in. These thoughts will be related to your recent studies. So, now these thoughts will give you the best form of revision, and you don't even have to put the efforts to revise the content. Instead, your thoughts will automatically do that. Furthermore, you will be able to remind yourself about the content from your recent studies that is not truly clear. It will be additional positive point for you. But wait, what can be the logic behind this technique? Okay, I'm going to tell you this also. The logic behind this technique is that when you start your studies, your mind should be empty without any distracting thought. That's why before study you have to count the breaths so that the unwanted thoughts vanish from your mind, making some space for new content. And when you take some rest from your studies, there should be some thoughts for revision of your content. And done! It's all you have to do. Thanks buddy for giving your precious time for this video. Tell me the results if you get some help from this technique, and please do like the video before you leave.